Hi, today I got invited to go on a lake on a small boat with a few of my friends, and so I decided to make something quick that I can bring with me, some snacks. I was thinking I'm gonna make some sandwiches. I decided to make the classic ham and cheese sandwich, and then also I got inspired by a British type of sandwich, cucumber cream cheese. Cucumbers, another great veggie that is actually a fruit, but we'll obviously consider it a veggie. We can eat it in salads, as a side, on sandwiches, or just by itself. Few interesting facts. So obviously, as many of the other veggies and fruits, they are full of vitamins and minerals. So just by eating them every day or every other day, you are helping your body. They are full of water. I think they consist of 95% of water. They also help with bad breath. So if you don't like the taste in your mouth, eat a little slice of cucumber and your problem is solved, at least for a little bit. And not only it is good for your breath, it's also great for your skin. Cucumbers are used a lot in different skincare products because they have all these vitamins and minerals, plus they are full of water. They hydrate your skin a lot. And that's it for today. A quick video on how to make two different sandwiches. I hope you got a little bit of inspiration, maybe to make your next snack. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.